then after that we saw about block scope element, inline element, and also span element is an inline element, block scope element how it behave, span element how it behave, we saw. Okay, so next we will see about some more different elements, so like table and all. So as we already mentioned, like in HTML there are two parts. The first part is head, second part is body. In the head it will contain the inline style and the title and also other informations. And also coming for the body, we will have like a para, table or headings, everything will be there with the body. So here in the body, now this time actually I am taking the different tags here. So first I will come with the head table tag. So table tag is nothing but which is a collection of rows and columns. So rows and columns. Here the heading means there is a tag known as th tag. Row tag is tr. Data tag is td. Table data. Table tag always will be the row tag, means that is the parent of all the head tag and row tag and data tag. So coming for this design, I have given here the h3. H3 is like header. Okay, header, one of the header. We saw this in the first class. So and table, in the table will be having different tags inside it. So tr is like a table row, and again tr here. Okay, so employee number, employee name, salary, and location. So every table is a combination of rows actually. So if you see this table is full of rows. tr, 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 tr. All these are trs on the table rows. But in the first row, what I will do is I will do with since the first row is always the header, so I will go with the head tag like a th and end slash forward slash th. I am giving here employee number, and also I am giving here th again, employee name, salary, and also I am giving some location. Okay, so like this I am creating one header. So what will be the columns of here? Employee number, employee name, salary,
and
location. These are the columns here. So according to that, we have to design the data. So in the next row, what I am doing is like I am making 101 RAM, some 10,000 and Bangalore, like that I am mentioning. Okay, so here again I am having here TD 102, Nancy, and 12,000 and California. So like this, actually this will be my second row. And one more is like one more table row is like 103 Raghu, and also 103 Raghu, and 10,500, and also New Jersey. Okay, so yeah, this is also one more tr. Like this I am creating 3 rows here, and also one row is like the header. The remaining 3 are table data. Okay, so, and all of this tr will be there with the table. Okay, table will be the parent of all these table rows, right? So the table is ended here, and also whatever the division we took, that the division also ended here. So this is my div actually, that div is also ended here. Okay, so now if we are seeing here table 4. Okay, so you are finding here a table with 101 Nancy, same data, whatever this data is there, same data we can able to find. So if you are changing something here, and immediately it won't reflect here, you have to refresh it, then it will be updated with the 20,000 for the salary. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the next is like horizontal bar I have given. That is this one. And other one is like div span links for the links for navigation. Links for navigation. I am just making here an anchor tag. So anchor tags are used to navigate between the screens. Means through these anchor tags, what you will do is you will move from one screen to the other screen. Okay. Uh, Here these anchor tags are just like a link. Actually, they look like a link. If you click on it, it will go for the that particular wherever the target destination you are giving. Here, target destination is mentioned inside href. Href is like an attribute of the element. Everything is an element, but whatever the specification inside it, if we are mentioning, that is called as attribute. Here, the attribute href, what it will do is it will grab the details of it will have the value of the target where it will go. See, I have given here anchor link href and visit Google. If I click on this link, it will go for the google.com. But it will load in the same page. It won't load in different page. It will load in the same page. And I am giving a break. Break means the next line it will continue. Here I am again having a anchor with the href www.yahoo.com. But this time I am giving target equal to blank. Okay, target equal to blank means what will happen with this attribute target equal to blank means it will go and open in a different tab. It won't open in the same tab. It will open in a different tab. What it will open? It will open yahoo.com.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see now here I am having this visit Google. If I click on this visit Google, it is going to the Google page. I'm going back. If I am clicking on this Yahoo, it should not open in the same page. It should open in a different tab. So what it will do is it will go and open in a different
Different tab.
Different tab. That is the difference between normal anchor and also target with blank. Okay. So whatever, whenever you are writing this anchor link, you have to mention this text. If you are not mentioning this text, you won't find it at all. See, there is nothing will be there. You don't know where to click. So it's mandatory to mention this particular text. Then only the we will know this document object model will know where and how from where this navigation is coming from. Okay. So next next is like we are having unordered list, ordered list. Two things are there. Okay, this is I hope up to here it is clear. One is table and another one is anchor tag.
Clear.
Okay. So next is like we'll go for the ordered list, unordered list. So there are ways of creating the list in HTML. They are like ordered list and also unordered list. In the ordered list, what it will happen is like the order of the listing, whatever text we are giving, that will be by default in the format of 1, 2, 3. Or if you go for ABC, likewise, this kind of ordering is possible. Means it is an ordered. Ordered means there is some specifications. Either it is alphabetically ordering or numerically ordering. That is possible with the ordered listing. So what is meant by unordered listing here? Unordered listing means you are going to display the data in the radio button format or a text or a circle format or square format. Likewise, the text will be having associated with a particular unordered values like circle, square, likewise. So there are three important tags are there here. One is like OL. OL means ordered list. LI means list. Other one is UL means unordered list. Unordered list. So yeah, this unordered list. So these three are the important tags for the listing purpose. Okay. So I am having here one division. So this division is actually having okay, all this information. Okay. So let me go ahead with uh, division one after the other. So as yeah, this what is this kind of styling called as inline styling, correct? Yeah, whatever the style, if you are associating with an element ad hocly means on the same lines, they are called as inline element. What is this style called as attribute? What is this div called as element? Div is element, h1 is element, ul is element, h3 is element, li is element. Whatever property it is having inside, that is called as an attribute. Here, style is a attribute. For this property, what is the value? If somebody asks you, this is the value. This total is the value. So this kind of styling is called as what? Inline styling. Inline styling. So what is meant by internal styling? If you create the tags below and you are using in the style tag in the header, that kind of concept is called as internal styling. It is internal to your file. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So next, again, we will come down. Yeah. So here I am mentioning width 500 pixel, border 2 pixel, solid dotted black. Means on a dotted basis it will be black. Width it is taking 500 pixel. The general width is like for desktop is 1080 pixel. The if your desktop is like 100%, what is the pixel of that 100% is 1080 pixel px. Height will be 720 pixel. Okay. So I am showing you in a large desktop. This dimension is will be again it will be different. Large desktop it will be different. Laptops it will be different. Normal desktop it will be different, and iPad it will be different, and like that iPhone it will be different. Android phones it will be different likewise. Okay. So that and all those specifications in general we have to remember only desktop thing. If any other modifications are there, any other compatibility the organization requests, they will provide us. But we no need to worry about those specifications. Okay. So, so here, if you see, I'm having here width 50 pixel, 500 pixel border. I am having here border and also background color. I am having here background color. And also I am having here height. And also I am having here this style also. Okay. Height and background color, border, width. These are the things I am having. Okay. Fine, cool. So this will be applicable for the total division, whatever this total division is there. For the total division, this is applicable. This div is ended at the bottom here. Okay, here 132 line. So now the thing is, I have here H1. H1 is for the list. H3 is again unordered list. This is like a large one. This is a little smaller. In the unordered list, I am going to have here UL, LI, tea, coffee, and milk. Whatever this tea, coffee, and milk are there. So those tea, coffee, and milk will be as a ordered actually. You see, sorry, unordered. It will be like circles, black circle, black circle, black circle. Likewise, it's like a dotted. Okay. So this will be like unordered list. UL means unordered list. LI means list element. Okay, UL means unordered list, which is ended here. LI means ordered list, which is ended here. Okay, so like that we have tea, coffee, and also milk. And I have here H3. Again, it is like ordered H3 ordered list, and tea, juice, and also coke. Ordered, if you give by default, it will go for the 1, 2, 3. Now what I have showed here 1, 2, and 3, tea, juice, and coke. So if you want to add something also, you can add here. For example, milk or something like this, and immediately it won't reflect. We have to refresh. Then we can find here the milk value here. That will be 4.
Okay.
So if you are adding in between, it will arrange accordingly. But yeah, suppose if you add here in between also, what will happen? It will go and adjust it, but it won't give you any trouble with the sequence. It will go one after the other sequence and it will display. This is about OL. OL means ordered list. LI means
Ordered list.
list element. Okay. So there are different types of unordered list. They are like circle, square, something like this. Okay. UL means
Okay.
UL style list style type circle means the way of displaying will be in the format of circle. So UL is an element, style is an attribute, and
Attribute.
attribute
Value.
is having the value. Again, this is having a key and value pairs. Here the key is list style type. Circle will be the value of this list style type. Okay. So this kind of styling is called as internal styling. Okay. So I have here LI again. So if you see Russia, America, China, so whatever they are there, they are like in the format of circles. Okay. So next we are having square also, list style type square, Java, Python, Java, Python, C sharp. Will you hear JavaScript, Python, C sharp. So this will be like square format. This kind of list will be in the format of square. Next is like here we have this circle, square. Okay, disk means that is also one kind of format, and none means nothing. You will get by default whatever it is there. It will be shown. These two values you can put here with the disk, and you can do one more UL and
Okay.
make that value as list style type disk, and one more UL make that with the list style type none. Like that you do.
Okay.
So you will get it. You just try it for these two options. So next is like there are some orders types also, ordered list types also. They are like OL type equal to capital A. Capital A means capital A, capital B, capital C. Likewise, it will display. Small a means small a, small b, small c. Like that, it will display. Okay.
Okay.
So here, if you see, I have here tea, coffee, and also drinks. Next, OL means type equal to capital I. This means this is a Roman number. Okay. Small I means
Okay.
small Roman numbers. So Roman number 3, Roman number 1, Roman number 2, like that it will display. Okay, if you give
Okay.
small I means small Roman numbers, small I, 2 I's and 3 I's, like that it will display. These two options with the type equal to small a and small I, you can try with your
Okay.
own. Okay, these two you can try. Just okay, whatever this list is there, this list you can okay work these three you can do today. So one is employee table and also a navigation link, and also lists, ordered list, unordered list. Ordered list is of 1, 2, 3 sequences, A, B, C, or small capital A, capital B, capital C, small a, small b, small c. Like that, the ordered list will be displaying the elements, and unordered list it will be like a square, circle, and the radio button like this. This kind of small circle with the filled like that dots like that it will be filled. And anchor links we have like within same page opening or different tab opening. And also employees data we are having like THTD and also TR. So first we will go for the TH, next we will go for the TD and display the values. If you see all of them, they are if you see all of them, they are having styles actually. So those styles are like this: TH table that head and table data. I am giving border 2 pixels solid black. That is why this TH, this TD is there, no? TD and also TH, they are surrounded by a borders, 2 pixel borders. Even the table itself is surrounded by a border. Why it is happened is because we have given applied the group styling for table comma th comma td. We have to give here comma if you are applying for one or more elements style with the same property. Okay, if you are giving
Okay.
the same property, then what you want to do, you have to give the elements comma comma you have to mention to associate all of them. So like that, I am getting here border 2 pixels solid black for table header and table data. Now again, I am going to have here th. For th, I am going to have here, a employee background color light coral, and also td I am having background color light gray. That is this one. This is that. This is for the table header alone. Table data I am having light gray. That's why the only for the table data it is different colors. Okay. So this you
Okay.
want to observe here. Okay. Any doubt you are having here?
లేదండి.
So okay, fine. So assignment align two divs side by side. Generally, whatever we have discussed up to now, so they are like these divs are always like block scoped. I have mentioned. Okay.
అవును.
Yeah. What I am telling you is align these two divs side by side. Try to align take two divisions. Okay, but align them side by side. Already we saw this here in the part 3. But these two
ఆ
divs,
స్పాన్ లో పెట్టి చేసాం.
one after the other, they are displaying. But whatever the knowledge you acquired till now, with that knowledge, try to arrange these two divs side by side. Okay, side by side.
అన్న మామూలుగా మీరు రాదు అని చెప్పారు.
రాదు,
ఎండ్ ఆఫ్
ట్రై చేయండి నెట్లో ఎక్కి ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఎలా చేయాలా అనేది రీసెర్చ్ చేసుకోవడం అలవాటు
Okay.
చేసుకోవాలి ఐటీ వాళ్ళు.
ఓకే.
సో మెయిన్ అంతా వర్క్ రియల్ టైం వర్క్ అంతా